Hello, and welcome to FTx Academy. My name is Michael, and I will be walking you through setting up and understanding the retail scan data reports, as well as the specific settings for those reports and their respective manufacturers. Currently, we offer support for 3 manufacturers, RJR, PM, and ITG. We will be covering the nuances of setting up scan data submissions for each of these manufacturers. Let's get to it. If you're participating in any sort of scan data submissions, you will probably have to set up some scan data promotions. Here we're going to show you just a few examples of how to set one up. Please keep in mind every customer is different, and the promotions they're allowed to offer to their customers will also be different. On the left-hand panel, we will click Point of Sale, Price Book, and then Discounts/Buydowns. Under Discounts/Buydowns, we can see we are now on the Discounts page. This is where we go to set up our discounts as well as our scan data promotions, which in our system we call discounts. To add a new discount, we'll click Add New at the top right. From here, that takes us to the Create New Discounts page. We have 3 tabs: Details, Schedules, and Options. Now by this point in your training, you should already be familiar with how to set up a discount, so we're going to go into the scan data specific settings. Under the Details tab, of course, we have the name of the discount. You'll want to name this something intuitive for you to understand which one of these discounts is going to be your scan data discount or scan data promotion. Next is the scan data name. This is not required in order to save the discount, however, may change the way this discount reports in your scan data file. Next, under Schedules, this is where we determine the run time for the discount. So if you're only allowed to offer this promotion from one period of time to the next, please be sure to set that start date and that end date to match that. Next is Options. Under the Options tab, we have quite a few different settings for how the discount behaves on the POS level. When setting up a scan data discount, you want to be sure to set Stackable. Stackable means this discount will be allowed to work in conjunction with other discounts of the same type. Without this, if an item that is slated to receive a scan data promotion also has another in-store discount running, only one of those discounts will apply. Typically the one with the higher priority number. Next, and most importantly, in scan data report. This setting toggles whether or not this discount will be reported within the scan data file itself at the time of the submission. So be sure to check this to yes. Next is scan data classification. This is a drop-down that when we click on it, it shows us the automatic, multi-pack, account funded, manufacturer funded, single pack options. What this means is at the time the scan data file is generated, information regarding this discount will be labeled as either multi-pack, account funded, manufacturer funded -single pack, or the system will automatically detect what type of discount this is. Typically, if this is going to be a multi-pack discount, you want to select multi-pack. If this is going to be a loyalty discount, you probably want to leave it at automatic and let the system do the rest. Next, we have scan data code override. This field is where we recommend that you put your loyalty codes for the brand in which this discount is being set up for. You will receive a list of these codes from your representative. So for example, if this discount is going to affect your Marlboro products, you want to be sure to put in your PM loyalty code into this field here. This ensures that whenever the file is generated to submit, that all of the correct information will be brought into that file and show correctly when they review. Lastly, we have Require Loyalty. If this is going to be a discount that requires a loyalty customer to be present in order for it to fire off, you want to check Require Loyalty to Yes. You can see that when we check Require Loyalty to Yes, we get a few different boxes. This is a few additional settings that you can set up on the discount, or a few additional prerequisites that the customer must meet prior to receiving this discount. Additionally, if this discount is going to be a loyalty club discount, after you toggle require loyalty to yes, you will see that there is an additional toggle button for enable loyalty club. If this is a loyalty club discount, check that to yes, and then fill out your club trigger quantity. Think of the loyalty club discount as a punch card. So if you receive a promotion like that from your representative, this is how you enable that. And that's just been a brief rundown of a few of the different options when setting up a scan data discount to keep in mind. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us at the support line.